Torani Dark Chocolate F94 Fima Breakfast from Lazada. Hey guys, it's me and welcome back to my channel. Today is June 17 and it's currently 7:35 in the evening and kakatapos lang ng PE ako and afterwards I was watching some Valorant highlights. Ayan na ko and then naisipan ko na i-share na inyo yung aking mga mid-year purchases from Shopee and Lazada. Baka muna. And nandito sila, napakabigat. Ang bigat. Ito na naman yung kabigat dito eh. Ay, by the way, itong mga open ko na to check if may mga damage or maling item na na-deliver and na-effect ko na rin siya ahead. So, this one, yung pinakabigat dito. This one is the Torani Dark Chocolate. So, because I love to make coffee, so I wanna try this one out from Torani. This is 1,049 pesos and wala pa siya nung kasi out yung header na pinagpilihan ko nito. So I'm gonna be looking for other na pwedeng gamitin dito. And then next are the EF94 Fima. This is a Rivals community buy. I am a fan of the EF94 talagang covered na yung dito sa may upper nose, sa side, and dito sa may chin area compared sa KN95 or sa regular surgical mask na may mga puwang pa. Ito talaga is covered niya. So, I got 3 and sa isang pack meron 10 pieces of mask and I got them color black, in white, and in beige. So, this is the black one. Wait lang. Sangat mo sa lamin ko. So, this is the black one, and pag susot nyo siya, ganyan siya open. And then, susot na siya. Ayan. This is how it look like. Covered na, wala siyang puwang dito. That's why I really love this thing, and it's very lightweight. So, kung nakahalamin ka, or naka-face shield, hindi siya masyadong mabigat dito. So, this is the color white. This is the name. Yan yung pagsuot niya. And then, so this is how it looks like. Covered all the way around. Sa baba, sa side, and sa chin. And then this one is the color beige one. So this is how it looks like. The color beige. And by the way, I'll be linking everything that I purchased down in the box below. So if you guys wanna buy them for yourself, you can go and click the link. Salamin lang ko dahil wala akong makita. And then next, this one. Oh, this one naman. And then next, I got this breakfast pad from Lazada that I got for 395 pesos. And it's ceramic and ready siya for induction and gas stove. So, meron siyang tatlong section para if you want to cook 3 different foods at the same time, hindi mag-aaliw oil. And this one also is perfect for egg para it will act as a shaper and your egg will come out as a perfect circle. Yan siya. Sa back. And then dito, pwede ka mag-grill. And it's not super heavy. Kasi akala ko talaga mabigat siya nung nakita yung picture, pero hindi pala. And I'm very excited to use this in the future. And then for my last purchase are from Acquainture. You know I love Acquainture very much. So the first item that I got is their facial liquid cleanser. This is a gentle cleanser that you can use for day and night, and if you have sensitive skin. And I got this for 265 pesos and this is 100 ml. And then next is my mom and I favorite. This is the facial acne lotion. So this is a hot treatment that you can put if you have a bald bump or like mga marks no acne nyo na nag-fade na. So, this is 10 ml. We use this basically in the morning and we reapply it in the afternoon. And then for the last one is this your body acne spray. I already have this one in the 50 ml but I got naman in the in the 25 ml and I got this naman now in the 50 ml, which is the bigger version. And I got this for 375 pesos. And then, meron ka namang freebie kasi if you hit 750 pesos, you will get freebie from here. So I got the Acne Deepest Rebio Serum. I already have this one in the bottle, in the two bottle. Insert an image of it over here para makita nyo. And this is their new product. This is the pH 5.5 gentle cleanser. This one is the best if you have sensitive skin and you can use this for your body. And then earlier we went to McDonald's because earlier kami nung BTS meal yesterday. So we got it here na. So this is the cup. Nahugasan ko na rin siya. So this is the cup. Dalawa because mamit ay nag-reserve kami separately. Para dalawa yung makuha namin. So this is the cup. And then ito yung pinaglagyan ng nugget. So ito siya. 10 pieces. Chicken nugget. And then ito yung this is the Cajun and the meat chili. Ang sarap talaga ng Asian, sweet, and then yung chili is not super sweet. Actually, more of, parang sweet and hard na, And then yung paper bag, yun na namin dito pinalagay para baka mahira. So, ito siya. So, on one side, alagay din yung logo ng McDonald's and ng BTS. So, and then alagay the BTS meal, and then on the back is the monogram of McDonald's and the BTS logo. So, dalawa. I'll insert a picture of the meal we got it at McDo. And then what I plan to do with the cup, maghanap ako nung double-sided na tumbler, like the one I saw on TikTok. They cut the bottom part para mag-open, and then ito yung parang naging nung pinaka-tumbler. And then for this, yung sa chicken nugget, I plan to laminate and then gagawin ko siyang keychain or either siyang bookmark. And then for the nilaganan ng nugget, siguro I'll just keep it and papatungin ko na lang siya on my shelf. sorry kung yung ibang clip ay di pa ako nakasalita and ngayon pa lang. So we're just gonna eat here at TikTok. Actually, this is our first time to eat here. So what we got is the cheese chuck and the chicken chuck burger. And then we have ube shake for our drink. So let's eat! Hey guys, so we just got back home from Greenbelt, but we're gonna go back there tomorrow because we have a haircut appointment at 11 o'clock. Yung last haircut namin was January pa, end of January. So, ayan mahaba na yung buhok ko. Siguro I'll just put that in another video para naman hindi masyadong mahaba ng vlog na to. So, for tonight, I'm just gonna show you yung mga napamili namin kanina. And wait, hold lang to ha. So, unay-una lang pala muna itong tripod that I'm currently using. I'll just insert a picture of that over here. So, yung the price of the tripod that I bought was 330 pesos only. And I bought it sa Henry Hammer and napakaganda na nung quality nung tripod. And then next is this one. I got the BTS Pop Collection. This is the set of 11 already. So, complete na sila. And sabi nung seller doon that nung product at no, the price increase na siya 3 times nung original price niya. And then for the last items are from Coffee Lab. And we got 2 new flavor syrup because the syrup that we are currently using is almost finished. So we bought 2 new ones. The first one is French Vanilla. What I know about French Vanilla is it is a lot more like strong and deeper flavor compared to the regular vanilla, which is more sweeter. And the next flavor that we got is peppermint. So if I want to make peppermint latte, peppermint mocha, I can just use this syrup to make that. And both are actually 750 ml and both cost 320 pesos. You guys can buy this at Coffee Lab sa may basement area ng Greenbelt 5. It's just near Lika. And then along with the syrup, we bought 2 new pumps for it. Very the vibe. And 1 pump cost 185 pesos. For the last one is we bought this bigger pump. This one naman is for may mga puree. We also bought this for the Torani one that I showed you guys last night. Yung Torani pump is still unavailable dun sa reseller na pinagbibilan ko. So, this one naman is universal, and it's 285 pesos. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to click the thumbs up button, comment down below, subscribe to my channel so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
When it hurts like this, when it hurts like this.